Why does art education matter in our schools today? As we delve into this topic, let's remember that art education isn't just about painting a pretty picture or molding a perfect sculpture. It's about so much more. It's about fostering creativity, a skill that's becoming more and more valued in our rapidly evolving world. It's about cognitive development, as children learn to visualize, to problem solve, to think critically. It's about cultural appreciation, as children explore different art forms from around the globe, understanding and appreciating the diversity of human expression. Now, let's take a moment to consider the current state of art education in our schools. Despite its importance, it is often sidelined in favor of subjects deemed more serious or practical. Yet, the benefits it offers are undeniable. It's time we start viewing art education not as an expendable option, but as an essential part of a well-rounded education. Investing in art education isn't about producing a generation of artists. Although that is a wonderful byproduct, it's about equipping our children with the tools they need to navigate an increasingly complex world. It's about teaching them to think outside the box, to view the world from multiple perspectives, to express themselves effectively and empathetically. And it's not just the students who benefit. A society that values art education is a society that values creativity, diversity, and innovation. It's a society that's better equipped to tackle the challenges of the future. A society that's more vibrant, more expressive, more understanding. Art education is not just about creating pretty pictures, it's about creating a more vibrant, expressive, and innovative society. So why does art education truly matter? Let's delve into the top 5 reasons. First off, art education promotes creativity. It's a breeding ground for innovative thinking, where students are encouraged to think outside the box and challenge the status quo. It's a space where wild ideas are not only welcomed but celebrated. Picture a classroom where a child's imagination is the most valuable asset. That's the power of art education. Next up, it enhances cognitive development. Studies have shown that children exposed to art education perform better in other academic areas. They exhibit improved memory, attention span, and problem-solving skills. It's like art is a workout for the brain, strengthening cognitive muscles we didn't even know we had. Thirdly, art education encourages self-expression. It gives students a voice, a platform to express their thoughts, feelings, and experiences. It's a language that transcends words, breaking down barriers and fostering communication on a deeper level. Think about a painting that moved you or a song that resonated with your soul. That's the language we're talking about here. Moving on, art education fosters cultural appreciation. It exposes students to different art forms from around the world, promoting understanding and respect for diverse cultures. It's like a passport, taking students on a journey around the globe without leaving the classroom. It's an opportunity to see the world through a different lens, fostering empathy and unity. Lastly, art education builds critical thinking skills. It encourages students to analyze, interpret, and make informed judgments. It's not just about creating art, it's about understanding it, about digging deeper into the layers of meaning. It's about asking questions, challenging perceptions, and seeking answers. These are just a few of the numerous reasons why art education plays a crucial role in our schools. But how does art education impact students on a personal level? This question takes us to the heart of why art education is so crucial. You see, the impact isn't just in the classrooms or school hallways, it seeps into the very essence of the students themselves. Art education has a profound effect on academic performance. When students engage in artistic activities, they're not just learning to draw, paint, or play an instrument. They're developing critical thinking skills, learning to observe and interpret the world around them. These skills translate directly to other academic areas, leading to improved performance across the board. Take for instance the story of Sarah, a high school student who was struggling with her grades. She felt disconnected from her classes, finding them dull and unengaging. But when she started taking art classes, everything changed. She learned to express herself through her artwork, and this newfound confidence translated into her academic work. Her grades improved and she became more engaged in her studies. Beyond academics, art education has a significant impact on self-esteem. Creating art is a deeply personal process, one that encourages students to express their feelings and ideas. This self-expression leads to a sense of accomplishment and boosts their self-confidence. Let's consider the case of Alex, a shy and introverted student. Art became his voice, his way of communicating with the world. As his artistic skills grew, so did his confidence. He began participating more in class, sharing his ideas, and interacting more with his peers. Art education also fosters better social skills. In art classes, students collaborate, share ideas, and critique each other's work. These interactions teach them respect for diverse viewpoints, empathy, and teamwork. Take the story of Emily, who was new to her school and had difficulty making friends. Joining the art club helped her connect with others who shared her passion. She learned to work collaboratively, appreciate different perspectives, and form lasting friendships. Art education does not just benefit students academically, it helps them grow as individuals and contributes to their overall well-being. Indeed, the impact of art education stretches far beyond the classroom walls. It shapes students into confident, empathetic, and creative individuals, ready to make their unique mark on the world. So what can you do to support art education in schools? Let's talk about that. To bring about change, it starts with you, and it starts with your community. Advocate for more art programs in your local schools. Speak to school boards and administrators about the importance of art education. Share the benefits, the impact, the reasons we have discussed today. Donate to charities that support art education. Your contribution, no matter how small, can make a significant difference in providing resources and opportunities for students to explore their creativity. Volunteer at art events in your community. This not only supports the arts but also encourages students to engage with art in a meaningful way. Remember, the support and involvement of every individual counts. Each action you take, each conversation you initiate, each dollar you donate, contributes to ensuring that art education remains a vibrant and essential part of our education system. By supporting art education, you are not just helping students, but also contributing to the growth and development of our society. So let's make a difference, one brushstroke at a time.